Is it time to buy or sell Circle Star Energy stock? In this video, we will explore Circle Star Energy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 6th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Circle Star Energy as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, experiencing a gain of 123.1% since we initially recommended purchasing Circle Star Energy 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 12.31% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend that was broken at $218.45, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $265.85 will be the next potential peak level, which may serve as a resistance point that could prove difficult to surpass on the first attempt. Our latest daily update for Circle Star Energy includes the headline, High volatility in Circle Star Energy Corporation's stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $240.28. The Circle Star Energy Corporation stock price gained 20.39% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, rising from $199.59 to $240.28. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 20.72%, with a day low at $206.17 and a day high of $248.88. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 123.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 30 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 91 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $21.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $248.88 and the lowest price was $92.95. Currently, the price is 3.46% or 8.60 below the 52-week high of $248.88, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Circle Internet Group's stock has made headlines this week, soaring over 80% due to several key factors. The Senate's approval of the Genius Act has opened the door for stablecoin regulation, positioning Circle's USD coin, commonly referred to as USDC, as a major beneficiary. With its closing price nearing $199.59, Circle's valuation has surged to almost $50 billion, reflecting an extraordinary rise of 540% since its initial public offering just 2 weeks ago. This upward momentum is further fueled by Cathie Wood's investment, which highlights Circle as a leading contender in the fintech space. Endorsements from such prominent figures often ignite investor enthusiasm and can lead to increased volatility in the stock's short-term performance. While this rapid appreciation signals strong market interest and optimism surrounding stablecoins, it also raises concerns about sustainability. Analysts have noted potential risks related to revenue-sharing agreements, particularly with Coinbase, as well as the challenges posed by competition in the stablecoin market. In the short term, this explosive growth can generate momentum, attracting more investors eager to capitalize on the expanding fintech sector. However, in the long run, pressures on profitability and potential dilution from outstanding options might temper expectations, making it essential for investors to closely monitor both Circle's financial health and ongoing market developments. The following signals have been identified for Star Energy. The Star Energy Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $156.77 and $142.62. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 12, 2025, and so far it has risen by 125.53%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Pivots indicate a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average again shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 9 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Star Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $199.59. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low for this stock. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $42.71 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 20.72%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 21.66%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Star Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Star Energy encounters its first support level at $199.59. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Let's examine some recent insider trades. The latest 5 insider trades were carried out by Chuangxi Capital Limited, which involved the buying and selling of over 17,263,143 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power indicates a positive trend with a ratio of 21.25. In total, insiders acquired over 104,046,518 shares and divested almost 60 million shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $232.49, representing a decrease of 3.24%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. However, the relative strength index over the last 14 days stands at 88, significantly increasing the risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Star Energy stock a good buy? Star Energy Corporation holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of June, we anticipate Star Energy to open lower by $8.50, beginning trading at $231.78. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.